Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time stopping by here, you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, a virtual hug to you guys. In today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys how to use castor oil to grow a thick, long and enviable hair. A lot of you might have heard about Jamaica black castor oil for hair growth, but maybe you guys don't know the appropriate way to use it in order to achieve a very thick and voluminous hair. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And if you like to see how to do that, of course, then you have to keep on watching the rest of this video. If you're not subscribed to my channel yet, don't forget to do so. Hit that subscribe button down below. Also turn on your bell icon so as to be notified each time there is a new upload. Do give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it, and also share this video to whoever you think it's about helpful to. Let's jump right ahead together to mix this all up together. Let's go, guys. Our first ingredient is castor oil. Castor oil contains antibacterial and antifungal properties that protect your skin from all types of infection and diseases. It also contains high amount of vitamin E, proteins, mineral, omega-6 that helps to keep your hair healthy. If you want to make your hair look thick, luscious and enviable, then you must use castor oil on your hair to see tremendous improvements. So castor oil is the major ingredient for this remedy, and I have stated out the importance of this, and I've stated out the importance of castor oil for hair growth. I'm just going to mix this with other essential oil, and I'm going to show you guys, of course, how to do that. So as you guys know, we need a bowl for this, of course, and that's our clean bowl over there. I'm going to add an equal amount of all my carrier oils. When I mean carrier oils, it could either be your coconut oil or your olive oil. So I'm just going to first of all add my Jamaican black castor oil. So this is a tablespoon of my Jamaica black castor oil. And I'm going to also add my coconut oil. So I'm going to add an equal amount of my coconut oil, and this is also a tablespoon of my coconut oil. So I'm just going to stir this, and after stirring this, the next thing I'm going to do is to get a bowl of hot water. This is a bowl of hot water, and then I'm going to dip my oil mix into it just to warm it up. So I'm just going to put it in there for about 2 minutes. So I'm just trying to warm it up and lighten it up a bit. So I'm just going to give this a stir. I'm going to just leave it here for about 2 minutes and just stir it while it's in there. We all know castor oil has a very thick and sticky consistency, and that can really get messy while applying it on your hair. So it's better you do it this way to kind of lighten the castor oil. And then I'm going to show you, of course, how to apply this on your hair. So I just took out my oil mix out of the hot water, and of course at this moment this remedy is ready to go up on my scalp, on my hair. I'm going to show you guys, of course, how to use this on your scalp. Since it's ready, I'm just going to set it aside and I'm going to apply it on my hair and tell you the process you need to take for you to apply this on your hair. Okay guys, so that is of course how to make that remedy. I'm sorry I didn't take out my cornrows. I was too lazy to take it out and start looking for a way to make it again. But for you to use this, don't be like me. Don't apply this on your cornrow. Make sure you loosen your hair and then you apply this. Then of course, to use this, you need to first of all spray your hair with water. Like your water should be in a spray bottle, and just spray it all over your hair. Then you grab your castor oil mix and then massage this all over your scalp. After doing that, you wear your shower cap, then you wrap your hair with a towel. What the towel actually does is that it helps to improve the absorption of nutrients in your head, and then you chill for about an hour or thereabouts. After that, you rinse your hair with a mild shampoo, and you're supposed to repeat this process at least once in a month. And in no time, you will notice your hair will become thicker and a lot more voluminous and longer, of course. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I hope this video have been helpful to you guys. If this video have been helpful to you guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Do so by clicking on the red button down below. Turn on your bell icon so to be notified each time a new video drops. Do give this video a thumbs up if you do enjoy watching it, of course. And also you can as well share this to whoever you think this video will be helpful to. Until I come away next time, I remain your host, Ogochukwu. Bye guys.